Hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. Sorry for the lighting, it's getting a little bit late here, but today we are doing a couple of mods to the Volvo S40. The mods are the following. We have, and they're not modifications, we're just changing the essentials. We have a fuel filter. This is not the OEM one, but it is a perfectly great fuel filter, recommended. And right here we have the air filter. This is actually a German brand, so that's pretty good. First off, we're going to replace the air filter. We're gonna go ahead, simply open these tabs that we have right here. I believe this car has 3 tabs. You can displace this upwards. And under here, we have the original filter out, guys. You can see the drastic difference in color. This is pretty dirty. So that is going straight to the trash. Now we grab the new filter, very simply. Open this up. We're gonna slide it under here. Alright guys, so we just finished replacing that. We will now go on to replacing the fuel filter. Here, you hear that rusty part right there? We gotta replace that. To lift it up, you want to find a safe spot under here to jack up your car. This is a safe spot. And just start jacking it up. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these two locking pins. There's 3 locking pins, sorry. Twist them off. I need you to remember this has high pressure fuel in here. When you remove it, you want to be careful. Get your eyes away from this. And just press this tab and it'll gently come off. Before you actually press the tab, there's a little nibble right here, which is like a tire pressure thing, the little valve. You press it in and it releases all the gas pressure, and then you can just remove this very easily. Alright guys, once we got that into there, I want to remove this. Go ahead and put this in here. This one's a bit bigger. This is the correct size for it. And we're going to top this one off right here. A little top on here so that the fuel does not spill out. Once we remove that, we'll quickly go ahead and untop this. A little pressure. And we're going to press this into here. Simple. Now we tighten this up, and mission almost accomplished. Let's go ahead and start her up and see if we have any single leak at all. And we're back up and running. Alright guys, so I just brought her back from a test drive and she is driving perfectly perfect. And I love it because now I can't feel any of the vibrations the car had before, which is weird. I'm not sure if it wasn't running right, but it's perfectly smooth right now. The power delivery is amazing now. So guys, I am very satisfied with this preventative maintenance. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. So subscribe for more and stay tuned guys. I am receiving the spark plugs in a couple of days, so I hope to put them as well in the car, and I'll let you guys know how it is driving. Take care, subscribe for more to Speed to Garage.